Hi crocheters of the world. In this tutorial I just want to show you how to crochet these lovely summer cables. I called them summer cables because they are cables, but as you can see they are really lacy cables and just love them. They are not very difficult, and here I work them with a kind of yes, this is for 5mm hook cotton, and this is for 4, I can say, millimeters hook, and I work it with 375mm hook. Here I worked with 4mm hook. Okay, so anyway, it is lovely. Here it looks more delicate than this one, but both of them are lovely. You can work from cushions and maybe some summer blankets for the couch or something else, 2 cardigans and gilet for summer. This is really lovely. Let's get started. So let's see how to work these lovely beautifully summer cables pattern stitch. It's a multiple of 8 plus 6. I put here 3 times 8 chains, so 24 chains plus 6, so a total of 30. And we will begin with the chain 3, that is the first double crochet, yarn over, count 1 2 3 4 into the 5th chain from the hook, work your second actually double crochet, because we have the chain 3 as the first double crochet. Okay, now chain 2, yarn over twice for the triple crochet, and now we will skip 1 2 3 4 5 6, and into the chains 7th and 8th we will work 2 triple crochets. This is the first one, and into the next we work the second. Okay, chain 2, yarn over twice, and now just watch, we will turn back, we will skip 1 2 chains and into the next 2, so 1 and 2, or you can count from here 1 2 and into the next 2, so we actually have 6 chains here. We will work into the 2 in the middle. Okay, insert hook into the first and work 1 triple crochet, so it's all in front of these 2 that we just worked, and into the next. The first row, it's a little bit strange, but we can do it. Okay, this is what we obtain, a kind of crisscross. This is the cable. Now we will just repeat this. Chain 2, yarn over twice, skip 1 2 3 4 5 6, into the next 2 work your first pair of triple crochets. This is 1, go into the next, and this is the second. Okay, chain 2, yarn over twice, and we just go back here, first chain 1 2, these are the 2 chains where we will work in. Insert hook into the first, pull up a loop and just work your first. Okay, yarn over twice, go into the next and work that. Okay, as you can see we just complete 2 of 3 because I put 8 and which means I put 3 times 8, which means I will have 3 sequences. Chain 2, let's go and work the last one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 into the last 2 stitches, so into the 7th and 8th chain we just want to work our first two triple crochets. We chain 2, yarn over twice, and we come back. From here count 1 2, and this is the first chain where to work our 2. So to crisscross them we have to come back. This is the next. We skipped 6 chains and we work this pair of 2 in the middle, so not into the first 2, not into the last 2, but into the 3rd and 4th. Okay, these are my 3 sequences. Now I will chain 2 and finish as you began, skipping 2 chains into the last 2. We just work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Now from the second row, actually we will begin with our 4 rows repeating the repeating of the pattern stitch, and we will work 2 rows on the back side, the row 1 and 3, and 2 rows on the right side. Chain 3, and this is the first row on the wrong side, and double crochet. Okay, on the wrong side both rows are the same. We will double crochet, back post double crochet. So chain 2. Now what we have here, we have 1 2 triple crochet, chain 2, and 1 2 triple crochet. So we will work around each of these 2, 1 double crochet, back post double crochet, then we will chain 2 and work again 2. For the back post we just go like this around the stitch. Here it is, 1. We go around the stitch and we work the second. Okay, that's it. Chain 2 and we go around the next 2. We work 1 and 2. Chain 2 and we go and work exactly the same thing for the next sequence. 1 and 2. Okay, chain 2, we go and we work it around the next 1 and 2. Chain 2, we go and work around the next 1 and 2. Chain 2. So always chain 2 in between the pairs and in between the sequences. Around we work 1 and 2, and now we chain 2 and double crochet 2 times for the border. This is the first row of the repeating sequence. Okay, chain 3. Let us work, this is what we have on the right side. Let us work the second row, which will be on the right side. Chain 2, and now we will work like this. Around these 2 we work, around the double crochets we work front post double crochet. So we go like this, 1 double crochet front post and the second. Then chain 1, yarn over, into the chain 2 we will work a popcorn stitch, which means we will work into the chain 2 space 5 double crochets, take off the loop of the hook, insert the hook into the first of the 5, then put on the hook again the loop, pull, and pull the loop through this last double crochet and chain to secure. This is our popcorn. Chain one more, and now work 2 double crochets, front post double crochets around the next 2 double crochets, like this. Okay, chain 2, and this is the sequence that we will have to repeat. My case 2 more times. So around the double crochet, 1 front post, around the next 1 front post, chain 1, yarn over, 5 double crochets into the chain 2 space, chain 1, sorry, we don't chain. sorry. We just take off the hook from the loop, insert hook into the first double crochet, then around into the loop, pull the loop through this double crochet and chain to secure. Chain one more, and now work around the other 2 double crochets, front post double crochets, chain 2, and I will work the last sequence exactly as the first 2. The 2 double crochet, front post double crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochets into the chain 2 space for the popcorn stitch, take off the hook, insert hook into the last double crochet, take on the loop and chain one more, one double crochet around it and one more here. Okay, chain 2 and finish your row with your border stitch. So 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Okay, repeat for the 3rd row. You will repeat the first. So chain 2 and back post double crochet around the double crochets, chain 2 in between. That's all. Chain 2, and again this is the 2 double crochets, back post double crochet, and another back post double crochet. Go ahead and work like this till the end. Chain 2. This is what we have at the end of the 3rd row of the sequence to repeat. 4th and the last row, it's exactly the first one, only that we will work it in pattern and it is easier. So I worked my 2 double crochets, beginning double crochet, chain 2, yarn over twice, skip this group of 3 and insert hook around the first double crochet of the other 2 and work 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice, work around the next 1 triple crochet, then don't forget to chain 2, yarn over twice, come back around the first of the 2 that you skipped and work 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice, around the next, the second that you skipped, work your triple crochet, chain 2. So that's it, you have it. Now let me show you one more time, actually 2 times. So skip the 2, insert hook around the first of the next group of 2, double crochet, work 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice, work 1 triple crochet around the next, chain 2, yarn over twice, around the first that you skipped, work 1 triple crochet, and around the second that you skipped, 1 triple crochet, chain 2. And thus work the last one, skip this, work around the first of the next, two, chain 2, and around the first we go, and around the second we go, last chain 2, and we just need to work our border. Look at it, isn't it just lovely? I will just go ahead and repeat one more so to show you how it looks, but that's it. From now on you just need, all you need to know is to repeat this 4 rows.